Hello, Protum 2 students. How are you? Did you miss me? Yeah, I miss you too, all Protum 2 students. So for now, we will be having our can do classes here. So I will be making a video for every class that we will have. Okay, so please listen to me so that you will learn. Okay, while you are at home, you will learn a lot while listening to the videos that we will be giving to you. Okay, so today we will be having a first lecture, okay, first class. So before we proceed with our topic today, I'll let you watch a video first, okay? Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter L. This is a capital L. This is a lowercase l. You know how the L looks now. Let's make the letter L sound. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Yes! L is for lion. L is for ladder. L is for a lollipop. L is for lamb. L is for lobster. L is for lemon. You know some L words now. Let's make the letter L sound. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Your turn. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. L. Thanks for watching our video. Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter R. This is a capital R. This is a lowercase r. You know how the R looks now. Let's make the letter R sound. Ruh, 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 ruh. Ruh, 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 ruh. Yes! R is for red. R is for robot. R is for rocket ship. R is for run. R is for rose. R is for rainbow. You know some R words now. Let's make the letter R sound. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Your turn. Ra, 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 ra. Ah! Okay, so did you see the videos? So there were two videos. The first video was about letter. Very good. Letter L. Okay, and the second video was about letter. Very good. Letter R. So today we will talk about words. Okay, words that start or have letters L and letter R. Okay, so we will talk about letter L and letter R. So we will learn some vocabulary words that have letters L and letter R. Okay, so we will have our presentation. Okay, so our topic today is about words with letters L and R. Okay, now our vocabulary words, okay, for letter L. Okay, look at this. Okay, words that start with letter L. Okay, do you see that? Words that start with letter L. Okay, now what are the vocabulary words that start with letter L? Okay, first, okay, do you see the picture? Okay, the word is lift. Okay, again, lift. Okay, you put something, you put something, okay, that is lift. Okay, again, very good, lift. Okay, next word, okay, lamp. Okay, lamp. Okay, it's a light. When you are studying, so you need a lamp. Okay, again, very good. It's lamp. Okay, next word. Okay, that is leaf. Again, very good. That's leaf. Again, leaf. Okay, next. Lock. Okay, lock. When you go out of your house, you lock your door or you lock your house, right? Okay, that is again very good. That is lock. Okay, again, this is lift. Next, lamp. Next, leaf. Next, lock. Okay, these words start with letter, very good, letter L. Lift, lamp, leaf, and lock. Okay, can you remember again what is this? Okay, very good, lift. Okay, this one, what is it? Very good, lamp. Okay, next, what is this? Very good, leaf. Okay, and next, the last one, what is it? Very good, lock. Okay, so next is words that end with letter L, one L, or two L's. Okay? Okay, words that end. Okay, it means at the last of the word is letter L, or one L, or two L's. Okay. Okay, first, let's start with one L. It ends with one L. Okay, first, this is oil. Okay, again, oil. When you cook a French fries, you need oil, right? Okay, next is, okay, pool. Okay, pool. When you want to swim, you like to swim where? You like to swim in the pool. Okay, pool. Next. Okay, a doll. Okay, it's a doll. Girls, do you like playing a doll? Okay, do you like playing a doll? Yes, okay. These are dolls. Okay, this one and this one are Dolls. Okay. Next, pool. Okay, pool. You want to do like this. That is pull. Okay. I want to pull this one. Okay, that is pull. Okay. Again, let us repeat. This is oil. Oil. Again. Very good. Oil. Okay, next. What is it again? Again. Very good. That is pool. Okay, pool. Okay, the next word is, what is it? Again? Very good. Doll. Okay, doll. Okay. And the last one, what is it? Very good. That is pool. Okay. The first two words, this one and this one, okay, they end with one L. And the last two words, this one and this one, they end with two L's. Okay, but the sound is the same. Okay, sound, siyang is the same. One can, like oil, pool. Okay, and these two, dull, pool. Okay, so let us repeat. Okay, again, what is this? Very good. Oil. Okay, next. What is this? Very good. That is pool. Okay, and this one, what is it? Very good. Doll. Okay, and the last one, what is it? Very good. Pool. Okay. Oil, pool, doll, and last one is pool. Okay, this is pool, and this is pool. Okay, did you get it? Okay, next. Now, we will proceed to the words that start with letter R. Okay, R. The last letter is L. L. And this time, we'll talk about letter R. R. Okay. Now, what are the words that start with letter R? First, okay. What is it? Run. Okay, run. Wing. Run. Okay. Next is rice. Okay, you eat rice. Okay, next is rock. Okay, again, rock. Okay, and the last one is river. Okay, river. Okay, again, let us repeat. This is run. Again, run. Okay, next is rice. Rice. Next is rock. Rock. Next is river. Again, river. Okay, let us repeat. What is this? Very good. Run. Okay, next. What is it? Very good. Rice. Okay, and next one. What is this? Very good. That is rock. And the last one. What is it? Very good. That is river. Okay, again. Run. Rice. Rock. And river. Okay, did you get them? Can you remember all those words? Okay, now this time I'm going to ask you what word is it? If I ask you what word is it? Okay, what word is it? You will say it's blank. Okay, you tell me what word is it? Okay. Okay, can you remember? Let us try the first picture. Okay, can you remember what word is it? Okay, it ends with ift, I-F-T, ift. What letter, what letter does this word start? Okay, what letter does this word start? Okay, what letter? Very good. Letter L. Okay, the word is lift. Very good. Okay, again. Lift. Okay, the next word. Okay, this one. Can you remember what is it? Okay, it ends with amp. Amp. Okay, what word does this word start? What letter does this word start? Okay. Letter, again, letter L. The word is lamp. Again, very good, lamp. Okay, the next is, okay, can you remember what is it? What word is it? Again, what word is it? It's, okay, it ends with if. If. So, okay, what letter does this word start? Letter? Very good. Letter L. So the word is live. Okay, again. Live. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, can you remember this? What word is it? Okay, it ends with ok. O-C-K. Okay, what letter does this word start? Very good, letter L. Okay, and the word is luck. Very good. The word is luck. Okay, let us repeat. The first word is lift. The second word is lamp. The third word is lift. And the last word is luck. Luck. Okay, very good. Okay, now let us proceed to the next. Okay, again, what word is it? This one, can you remember what word is it? Okay, the word is oil. Very good, oil. Okay, the next. How about this one? When you want to swim, what is it? The word is very good. That is pool. Okay. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay, girls, what is it that you love to play? What is it? Very good. That is doll. Okay, doll. Okay, and the last. How about this one? Okay, you want to something that is pool. Okay, pool. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, what word is it? It's oil. The second, it's pool. Okay, next is this one, doll. And the last one is pool. Okay. Again, it's oil. It's pool. It's doll. It's pool. Okay, this is pool and this is pool. Okay, pool, pool. Okay. Okay, so now what word is it? Very good. Run. Okay, it's, okay, it ends with un. Okay, what letter does this word start? R. So it's run. Okay, what word is it? It's Run. Okay, next. Okay, what is it? What word is it? Can you remember? Okay, it ends with ice. Okay, what letter does this word start? Okay, it starts with letter. Very good, letter R. So the word is it's rice. What word is it? It's rice. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay, what word is it? Okay, it ends with OCK, ok. So what letter does this word start? Very good, letter R. Okay, so the word is, what word is it? It's rock, rock. Okay, next. What word is it? It's black. Okay, it ends with Iver. I-V-E-R, Iver. Okay, what letter does this word start? Letter R. Very good. So the word is river. So what word is it? Run. Very good. Next. What word is it? Very good. It's rice. Okay, next. What word is it? Very good. It's rock. Again, it's rock. Okay, and the last one. What word is it? Very good. It's river. Okay, what word is it? It's run. This one, what word is it? It's rice. And next one, what word is it? It's rock. And last one, what word is it? It's river. Very good. Very good, P2 students. Okay, now, next is, I'm going to present to you the worksheet. Okay, so you will be answering your first worksheet, and after answering it, you have to give it to the teacher. I will be checking your worksheet if you have understood, okay? If you have understood our lesson today. So, P2 students, okay, listen. This is your worksheet for for our today's lesson, okay, for our topic today. So this is your worksheet. You write your name here, okay? Do you see this? Name, okay, and write here your name, okay? The topic is letters, L, two L's, and R. So what should you do? Okay, you need to write what letter or letters should these words start. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, you write whether the word starts with letter L or should it start with letter R. Okay, can you say what word is it and this one? All these words, okay? These two words are a review. You know them already, right? This one and this one, you know them already. They are just review, okay? You know them already. So this one, 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 this one. Okay, I taught you. These are what I taught you in this class, in this lesson for today's lesson, right? Okay, so after you write the letters, on the blanks, okay? Write the letters on the blanks, okay? When you finished answering them, submit it to the teacher and we will be checking your worksheets, okay? So thank you very much, students. See you again on the next video. Thank you very much for listening and goodbye.